for daylight, working hard until the night, lifting blocks and pouring stones. Still he could barely pay his own. The bills kept stacking on the table. He was tired and barely able. Then he said, I've had enough. There must be an easier way. He bought a white coat, nice and clean, the finest office anyone has seen. A stethoscope around his neck, even though he had no medical experience. He smiled with confidence, he looked the part. People trusted him from the very start. We gonna scam them, that's what Vernon said. They'll never know what's inside my head. We gonna scam them, money by the load. No more construction, I'm taking the easy road. Nobody could see.
Yo, Taros, I love how you shuffle that card there, you know. Give me the card, man.
Yeah, brother, shuffle it in good.
Easy, easy, no, man. That shuffle good, man. I want to tell you, man. How far down that?
Which part you see the dog on, sir?
You look like he had them must be clothed up.
Don't say me take a right here, man.
Well, I'm telling my youth, and I know say my dog that man.
Yo, play a game if you know play a game, man. When you chop, Jack, what you do, man?
Yo, fork out the money, you know. Cause Jack that I'm a win, you know. I'm two, you know.
Boy, I can't understand like 7 games that they win now, you know.
You alone?
Man, lucky, man. I want two, man. Lucky day today, man. I want you, man. Lucky, you know, man.
Yo, give me a partner, make me shuffle, yeah, man.
Take your pen,
I want you, man. I want you, man. Lucky, man. What you talking about?
I trust you, you know, man. Shuffle it, yeah, man.
I want you. I want you. Yeah, man. I'm tired of fifth flag game. I reached 1,000, man.
That yes.
I want you, man. Wow, yeah, man. Yeah, man. What you say? Oh, Max Brown, Miss Sandra. Baby, look here now.
Where she there, man? Where she there?
I'm late, man. She ride past on the bike, man. I'm late, man. Yo, set on our set, man. And be a woman pack up in our head, you know. Yeah, man. I win, man. I straight this, man. I win, man. I want to straight that, man. I want the game done, man.
Straight time you make me a play.
Easy, man. I want to tell man. I be a woman on the head. That's how I look, man. Give me guard, man.
You know me not trust you.
I lucky to get to them, man. I want to tell my lad, man. Yo, give me caption, man.
So
I
you got
set 'em on
straight,
my
brother,
lad.
and then you
My
win
lad,
after
but
you.
me I show a long time. But you put about the woman who gonna look, brother. Yo, fuck me 2 grand. No. Chatting, give me 2 grand, man.
Right now, me done, you know. Because I have to effort it no money in there, you know. So me done, you know.
Want the pair and I give out. I take close to you know. All I watch there. I'll share it there. Eh? Money that you know. Me take them things to man.
Yo, brother. Little more, you know. Because my garments them you are watching, you know.
You're a coward, man. You're a chicken.
A little more thing.
What you say? One more game.
Yeah, man, me have money, man. Hold on, man. Give me a cap and we shuffle, man. I trust you, no, Vernon.
You ready to state? 5 grand a game?
Yes, man. Me have money, man.
Someone say, oh, the boy Tyre was a coward, you know. That's a big man playing one come man game. Boy Tyre was a coward, see him run gone. It's a big man, yeah. I play a game, big man, I spend money, you know, man. I'm telling you, ready, you know. Oh, you dog up on the bed now, there was in there, sir.
Where you see dog pan bed? No dog in the pan bed.
Man, play the game, man, easy, man. I told me, see, I'm taking side dog, you know, man. But anyway, I win that one, here, you know.
If you win, I'm going to start playing.
I saw me stay, I can't tell me I win, man. I want to tell the pause, man.
We gonna scam them, that's what Vernon said. They'll never know what's inside my head. We gonna scam them, money by the load. No more construction, I'm taking the easy road.
Go on, Melvin.
They are not Vernon.
Boy, I'm there fast and broke and hungry, I want to work, you know,
Boy,
start.
they are stressed out, you know, man.
Why? So what go on? Where the car there?
Yo, I have to sell the car, you know. Because doctor bill, I have to pay out, you know. How much doctor tests, how much doctor, Virgin, he does take everything. $500,000 in a test, medication, and run around Belgium when I have to do.
$500,000? Wait, that's so much money doctor make? Hold on, man. Could have put on doctor.
Yo, man, yo, stop the foolish, man. Me I tell you about, how can I joke thing, you know?
Yo, I'm not serious, my youth. Write pan paper, run to test and write pan paper and wear doctor clothes. White. Eh? We can't do it, man.
My youth, a prison work you depend on.
Please, what? Catch me first. You feel like catch me first.
Me not depend that with you, you know.
Go at them bad. Make them a bad penny cent. I want to you. And get rid of them. Your life in a hand of a doctor.
My youth, you're a doctor. That's how to work pan.
Me not work right now. That's why I want to go to a doctor, me I tell you. And you tell me about foolish me attack. Eh? Watch me. If you can lend me 10,000, me give you back 15,000. Just want to buy some doctor gears and everything, with doctor mask and everything, and clothes and everything. Let me that, me give you back 15,000, you let me that, man.
Yo, me make a sacrifice in what me do, you know. So you say me lend you all of them money there. Me don't know what I go do, you know. That problem, you know.
I want to tell Melvin, man. I say money sure, Melvin, man.
Yo, just show me a friend, you know, me I lend you money, you know. That 15,000 I'm to get back, you know.
Oh, man, what do you, man, Melvin, man? I want to tell you, what do you, man? Big up, Melvin, big up.
Yeah, man, big up.
Hello.
Yes, Mr. Williams.
Hey, Vernon.
I want 2 pack a syringe
Yes.
and 2 pack of the doctor mask.
Dr. Mask?
Yeah. Me are there at 105 place. So you don't know, say. Just come give me a link and roll in them. Very important right now.
You have money?
What about the money, man? The money live, man. I'm very on your talk to. I'm here, man. Mr. Williams. Me think different, Mr. Williams. Yeah, later. All right. I'm very on your talk to today. Mine tomorrow, my name Dr. Scammer. Just get scammed.
We gonna scam them, that's what Vernon said. They'll never know what's inside my head. We gonna scam them, money by the law. No more construction, I'm taking the easy road.
Mr. Johnson,
Yes, doctor.
have a seat for me.
All right.
Need an autopsy.
Hey, what you say? Autopsy, doctor.
1 pap smear.
Pap smear. Then no woman do pap smear, doc.
Mr. Johnson, you have a woman?
Yes, doc. What you mean, man? That's why we and a man give them.
That's why you need a pap smear. 1 bio scam. 2 pens length.
But, doc, this sounds serious, man. How do me?
Where's Mr. Johnson? I'm getting there.
Pap smear. I'm not just a doctor, you know. I'm a doctor, you know. I deal with the judge.
I'm boy I feel like, 100 km take for him today. And chop I feel like them alone can chop. I jail him. I see the boy driving.
Hey, doctor, you know, so I not even trust that whole thing of process here, because I made the time I say, man, no do pap smear. You know what I say? I wonder if I are you name Dr. Phil?
Listen now, man. I'm been there for 3 weeks. No, I mean 3 years now, you know. I'm a certified doctor, you know. All the years of certification. All the years. I have a PhD, HID, LCD.
LCD. Then that na TV that man.
That's a term, man. You don't understand. Tiredness. Frustration. Hungry. So, Mr. Johnson, how often you feel hungry?
To the doctor, yeah, man. Then doctor, everybody not feel hungry. Everybody hungry every day, you know.
That's not the question. How often? Classic case. Hormonal.
Hormonia. Doc, I want to name someone. First, me I hear that one day, you know.
Mr. Johnson, how often you sleep, Mr. Johnson?
Because a man go to my bed every night unless I go party and them thing there, you know that.
Same thing. Sleep depression.
No, Doc, I sleep fine, man. Except when I go to party and them thing there. But I sleep good, Doc. You see me?
Boy, him sleep good. Boy, him sleep fine. He leave me 100,000 man chopping today.
I'm to the doctor, boy, yeah, man. I'm like a choppy match or a choppy G.
Yes, Mr. Johnson. That's the problem. They sleep in the face looking south.
So, yo, that not sound right, you know, Doc.
I'm a doctor, you know. Trust me. Think my medical degree go up on tree.
That doctor boy a shake him head, so. What am I do over there?
You dehydrated, man. Your brain not getting water.
Dehydrated. Jaja. So doctor, why cure for that?
Hold yourself, man. You have something right or something. Brain juice.
Spring water. Doctor boy you take man for fooling them. I can't get a spring water in the shop. Nah boy this here talk. But this look like regular water, Doc.
Sir Johnson, very rare. A limited amount you have in stock, you know.
Yeah man, I don't need none of them things there, you know, Doc. I just a check up me need and I'm good, you know.
Check up. You're right. Check up. You're right. Something right. Water in your brain.
Water in my brain, Doc. They not just tell me say my brain dehydrated.
That is the problem. Too much salt water. Not brain juice. And this you need.
So much for this now, Doc.
That was special. Can give her 50,000.
50,000. Like a doctor boy, I want 50,000 slapping in the face.
Tell me I pet you. You can have bad blood. I jail you drive. Lock me till I 80,000. Anyway, now finish the check-up. Taking a deep breath. Let it out. Taking a deep breath. Let it out. You need a backectomy, you know, Mr. Johnson.
Backectomy. How much that cost, doctor?
Now I'm like 200,000, but I have a discount. I give her 50.
Alright, doc. You take card?
Yes, man. We take green card, we take debit card, we take all kind of card. Let's come with the card. Brain juice. Oh, I almost forgot. 20,000 for your visit and 30,000 for your checkup.
Yeah, I said doctor.
Yeah.
Doctor, expensive.
Alright, Mr. Johnson, you're gonna sign here and here.
But hold on, the doctor. The piece of document that talk about car title.
Oh, Mr. Johnson, there's a caution. Permission if you get ill and you can drive, somebody can drive it, Mr. Johnson.
No, I'm not sure about that, you know, doc. My base, my GLE. So I'm alone going on my girl, you know, doc.
A precaution, Mr. Johnson.
Alright, doc.
Remember your backectomy is a life changer.
150,000, doctor boy, you chop me, you know. Judge.
Come back anytime. Don't worry about money, man. Money at least, brother. Because I go and go to my doctor thing, brother, more than this office there. Because you have a client that come in nothing in general. Money. 100,000. Come on, man. Alright. Here me I do. I come link you. Give you 100,000. I say I can get things as a G. Where say, alright, weekend. Alright. Here we go on now. We link up. But I go around everything in general. I need it in my lad. Things are going good now in Dr. World, brother. Check if you know, brother. I'm rich. I want to you. A crown me, brother. Yo, a crown me have. In 3 months time, a crown me buy. Right now, the Benz and the art, everything I go for. I'm sure I'm a superstar and that thing. So you say with me? Alright. Look more, we link up back. See? Alright, my general. I try to do what I can do fast, make money and sell like here.
Yo, soldier.
I go my general.
There, you know.
But you know, sir, you me just that call, my lad.
Other thing, let me come check about still.
What
You
you
know.
about? Weed?
Weed? Nah, man.
What?
Not the money I have.
Money? Oh! Right. I'm the whole go chum changer, man. I want to man. Ease yourself, man.
Me not really want to hear that, you know. And my own me come bout. My money me come bout.
Yo, I want to host and drink 2 juice, man. Easy, man. I want to hear about, man. Man, a big doctor now in my lad. A crazy money start, man. I'm making in my youth. The money I give back 3 times in just about the money, man. I worry about money, man. I easy at least that, man. Right now, me as a fair woman gone left here, you know.
Yo, my youth. Me not want you touch my business personally, you know. And my money me come bout. So, woman thing and my money are 2 different things you're going in there now.
So what, mom? So we have a list very great, you know. We are dealing. We have all that strong back and the Medina pill them, you know. Right, them can get a buckle for half price right now when she come back to you, you know. How much you have? Give me what you have, no, man.
Me not come bout that and my money me come bout.
Try them up, man. Yo, me not have for a good pill them, you know. Yo, a regular mark. I will Williams come around a case for me. Right now, I start calling off my phone. I have to duck him. Can't talk to him, you know. Try it up, man.
Yo, brother. Me no want to get wicked over my one, you know. And my money me come bout.
Here what I go on. I go to the machine, but just some money. So, you come check back later. I give you money and get an interest, man. Hold yourself, man. Check back later, man. Alright, my general. Pick up yourself.
Yeah.
You talk about later. And me, a chopper doctor. It's a pill to get. You don't even know.
People trusted him from the very start. We gonna scam them. That's what Vernon said. They'll never know what's inside my head.
Yeah. 3 o'clock appointment for you. Alright. See? Alright, yeah. Me tell you what going to come, man. Just come check my man. 3 o'clock appointment for you. Alright. Later, cause me a deal a client there. Soon talk to you. Later. Alright.
Why, Vernon? Like a doctor thing you work out, man.
Man, I think a loud, man. Yeah, man. That's the thing there. How much say me a fee again?
10 million and you say they'll give me 5 penny.
Yo. Hold up. 300 US.
Boy, Vernon, you make money, man.
Boy, I'm thinking louder now, you know.
Thank
More
you,
the
man.
assistant right now. What you say?
Boy, I'm too old to go to prison, you know, Virgin. Anyway, I give thanks, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Cause my line hot. Get it, my car.
Dr. Vernon,
Alright, my boss, respect.
Where you say, Mr. James?
can I come today?
Yeah, man. I have a pint for you, man.
Okay, what time?
You are 2 o'clock.
Wonderful.
Yeah, tell me 2 o'clock.
Okay, see you soon.
Alright. Where you drive? A JLE?
Yes?
A good thing that, man. Roll in, man. 2 o'clock. Say a word. Alright. Later.
Okay,
Yeah.
doctor.
Alright.
See you soon.
Easy money, it shines so bright, looking like the answer in the middle of the night.
Where the patient in there? Come on, scamming idea, you know. Oh, so when I come there, you know. Sarah?
Oh, what's that, doctor?
Papa, you have bad news, you know. You have bad news. You look good at all. You look well sick, you know.
How am I supposed to be sick? I'm very healthy. Look at me. I just ran 5K the other day. This morning I had a healthy green smoothie to drink. I'm good. I don't feel sick.
That's the problem. You're overfit. And when you're overfit, the immune system attack your body.
I don't see how I can be over healthy. I eat well. I eat all the best things. My fruits, my vegetables, my green smoothies. Yet today I even ran 3K.
That's the problem. This moment you feel fit and energized. The next minute, your body just broke down.
Very dangerous. That don't sound right to me. I'm going to keep being healthy. That don't sound right to me, doctor.
I have a special treatment for you, you know.
Yeah. Thank you, doctor.
This supplement value $6,000.
Thank you very much, doctor. Me good.
You know, star. Damn, I wanna get well. Why?
Wagwan Melvin.
They mulch up some plant, you know.
What, you know see your boy Vernon?
No, the last time I see him yesterday, you know.
Hey, I go chop a boy in his face when I see him, you know.
When do you know?
Over 2 weeks now, him say I will give him money when borrow and all. Now I can't communicate with him.
I did lend him some money and him pay me, you know, and pay me with interest.
What you say to me? And the boy I go around me, I style him, I style me then. You wait man, just wait till me see the boy then.
Taros.
When I see the boy, I lick him in his face still, you know, everything, you know.
Yeah, man, a problem that, man. I better put yourself in a problem, man.
Problem? I don't have a problem when I lend him my money, you know.
Taros, man, give me back my money with the interest. I just wait till you see the man.
I call all the man phone and the man nah answer me, you know. I tell him I'm upset over it still, you know.
Calm down and make me call him, man.
Oh, hello, who this?
Vernon, I'm Melvin this, you know.
Wagwan Melvin.
Taros a check for you, you know, and he upset and mad, you know.
Taros.
Well, on, see me, you know.
Yo, Vernon. Vernon.
Look at his backside.
Yo, Vernon. Yo, you know what the boy hang up on me?
No, man, I got all the connection bad, man. Me call him back, man.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
What, you get him?
You know, sir, voicemail it go.
Voicemail? Just wait until me see him. A graveyard that I go.
Miss Milchett,
Yes, doctor?
have a seat for me.
Thank you, doctor. This is your office, doctor? It looks very cozy.
Thank you, Miss Milchett. Thank you. Scamwell today should give you a bunch of money card and reach you.
Is everything okay, doctor?
Yes, Miss Milchett, I'm okay. Can't go on time with me, alright? You're not alright yet. I need some money right now. You should give me money. So, can I help you today?
Well, doctor, I heard about the miracle cure.
Ah, yes, man. You're in the right place. This is the honor cure, Miss Milchett. It's make you feel young and fresh and fit, Miss Milchett.
It's that I want.
It's a cure that make you feel strong, man. Remember you left your glasses? Remember you left your key? Yes, man. Strong cure, man.
Oh, wonderful. Because I'm always misplacing my glasses. And I could really do with some extra strength.
This treatment costs $10,000, you know. But Mr. She's a nice lady. I'll cost you $1,000.
Oh, thank you, doctor.
Then only feel a pinch. In a few minutes, you're gonna feel brand new.
It hurt, doctor.
That's $1,000.
Okay, doctor.
Oh, I just remember.
Water? How are this?
It's an ordinary water, this Miss Milgen. It's an ordinary water. Straight from Nile, this, you know.
Why? This look like ordinary water, though.
That's the trick. This water, make you feel like a teenager, this water.
So how much for this now?
Normally, it's going for $3,000. As a you, $1,000.
$1,000 more?
As a you.
Why? Then why it says spring water?
That's the trick. I put the right name on it. The government charge too much money if you come in the country.
No, sir. This is spring water.
You see that? Aye, so we're good out the glasses already.
Yes, for true. Alright. Thank you, doctor.
Yes, Milgen. Oh, nice to be with you. Thank you, be with you. I'm been a doctor for 3 weeks. 3 years. 3 years.
Oh, you frightened me.
You feel free to come back anytime.
Thank you, doctor.
Yes, sir. Bingo.
operator. How can I assist?
Hello?
Yes.
Hi. I was calling to see if it's an in-house doctor that I can see or someone you can send me to. I'm really not feeling well today. I need a doctor.
There's one on the boulevard. We'll have a taxi take you there.
Okay. Oh, it's one down on the boulevard? Okay.
Yes.
All right. I'll check him out then today. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
You're welcome.
Door White,
Here.
come this way. What bring you today, Miss White?
Well, I haven't been feeling too well lately. I had a little pain in my chest, and so that's why I came to see you today to check it out.
Oh, you come to the right place. Right, doctor.
All right.
Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Cool. Alright. Take a deep breath for me. Let it out. Where you from, Miss White?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia.
Where you staying, Miss White?
Right down the road.
Nice place.
Okay.
You take a cab here, Miss White?
Doctor, what does that have to do with me being here?
Just answer the questions.
I don't understand what that has to do with my illness. I'm sick. I came here to see you today, but I don't understand the questioning, doctor.
So, Miss White, if you take a public transportation and you have that virus, you're gonna spread. So you're gonna know what if it went by yourself. So we can know what's happening.
I understand that. I understand. And I did take a Uber to come here.
Oh, Uber.
Mm-hmm.
You have a credit card, Miss White?
Yes, I do.
Your visit, it is 300 US. And your checkup is under 200 US.
$500, doctor? This is ridiculous. I never thought I'd had to pay that kind of money.
Miss White, you don't want special place, 5-star treatment. You see me? Good treatment, good take care of. You need a bottle of water?
Yes, I guess that'll help me. Thank you, doctor.
Miss White, this bottle of water is a special bottle of water. Normal, I think you get sent for 17,000. So, again, he's a wonderful patient. It's under your house. I put it under your house.
Thank you, doctor.
Miss White, this coughing can be life-threatening.
That sounds really serious. I didn't expect all of this.
This coughing, 3 people die from Portland from this coughing.
That sounds concerning to me.
Don't worry yourself, Miss White. Don't worry, I have a cure for it.
What's that going to cost me, doctor?
Cost you $800.
$800, doctor, on top of what you've already told me? Boy, this is a lot of money. I didn't expect all of this. You know something, doctor? This is too much money. Just take your $500 and for the checkup, $200 for whatever you listed for, and I'm gone. I'm out of here. Here, take your money.
Miss White, you plan to stay in Jamaica forever?
No, doctor. I'm planning to go home next week.
Miss White, I guarantee you leave this office today, you leave Jamaica in a 6-foot box.
Doctor, so you're telling me if I leave today, what I have is fatal?
Exactly, Miss White. Exactly. No, you're getting it. Miss White, I said she's a good lady. I can give you a discount for $700.
$100 discount, doctor? Make it $500 and we have a deal.
You know what? I'd rather visit you at the hotel more than the graveyard. So we have a deal. We have a deal.
All right, doctor.
Relax for me. Calm down. All right.
All right.
Your son is good right there. Yeah. He's a nice patient.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, man, I'll finish at the bathroom now. Ooh, that sounds a very terrible cough.
Yeah, I know it sounds bad. I went to the doctor today, and he gave me some kind of shot, but it's just not working. It's just not working.
Doctor? Where is this doctor?
That doctor on the strip next to a yellow building.
I know that doctor. I went to him a few days ago. He scammed me of quite a bit of money, and nothing worked. I ended up throwing everything away. Madam, if you know what's good for you, I suggest you go to the hospital. Let them really check you out.
Hi, my name is Corporal Shellings. Pleased to meet you. What brings you here to my office today?
Hi, Corporal. My name is Sandra. I'm Sandra Thomas.
Hi, Sandra.
I come to report a scammer doctor.
A scammer doctor?
Yes.
Okay.
Because him is on the strip. And I went and see him, and he come off with all kinds of weird disease. I went to his office the other day, and he charged me a lot of money for nothing. Nothing at all. And coming up with all kinds of weird and wonderful diseases. Now, Corporal, I am a healthy woman. I think it's a scam.
Okay, that's your opinion. Did you get a second opinion?
I went to a different doctor, yes, and he said nothing goes like that.
Okay.
Nothing like that. And I even told the other doctor, the real doctor, that I believe is a real doctor.
What's the doctor's name?
I don't remember.
Where is his office?
He's on the strip, right next door, the big yellow building.
The big yellow. Okay, I know where that is. Do you have a number for him?
Yes. I remembered it because it's like my daughter's number.
Do you have a receipt of the money that he took from you?
He tried to scam me, officer, but he never get through because I never pay him nothing.
Okay.
So I don't have no receipt.
So the report you're making today is that you have encountered this doctor trying to scam you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And I don't want nobody else to get scammed because
We will look into it.
He's a rasta, right? He's a bubble, and him always have him head wrap. Him slim and tall, and him have big eyes, and he wear test glasses.
Okay. I might have someone come in and try to do a sketch to so we can have it on file. Do you have a picture of this man?
No, but me will work with a sketch artist. Can remember what him look like.
Okay.
Oh, Melvin, how are you cook? Melvin. Tyrus, man. Oh, man, a toughy, man. You buy that general, man. Like that, that's a bad general. Watch out, man get rich, man. Oh, man. Watch out, man. Watch man get rich, man. Watch it, man. My lad, easy, no, my lad. Me I need money.
Money me
Can't
want
give you
to
money, man.
Bernal, what you mean say you give me money?
Yo.
Bernal, me
You
a
can
call
go
you
for me
for
yard.
that.
I go for me yard.
How about me come up a yard here that day, no, Bernal?
man.
Get
your
irritable
phone
now with
star.
my one, you know. Hey,
Yo, I'm up and down.
Bernal, you get me irritable, you know, Bernal. Bernal, you get me. How are the boy Bernal there?
Yo, okay, what go on, babes? What go on, baby? What go on for the youth, them? Why am I there, man? Nothing real to go on now, baby. Just easy, man, and go on hold it, man, because I'm there at the program star. Soon, yo, this do a thing, when it come through, I make it nice, and you and the youth them nice, man, carry, man. You just save them, baby, man. Love them, I love the youth, them, man. You just save them, man. Everything will go alright, man. So, yeah, what I go on? Just go on, spend and go on, take care of them, man, till you don't know things start turn become nice up here. You are going, carry. Remember, say, more the alcohol program, you promise me a thing, you know. See me? Yeah. Remember the time I say win some for give a partner draw, you know. Say, I say I get it. You know, say me I borrow 100,000 for you. Cool on babe, man. I babe for the attack to you, man. It's cool on babe, man. Alright, what you say?
What's the description of that guy? Okay, yes. I'm in the vicinity of that community right now. Yeah. What's the description again?
Oh, alright. You see, look more, I'm going to make a flash through and come pick up that. Yeah. I must love you, baby man. I love you, man. Yo, I'm going to you nice, man. I'm going to set you up, man.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, officer.
Yeah. Officer Campbell.
What now, officer?
We're doing an investigation, you know. And we have some reports of a man that fits your description.
Me, officer?
Yes. You.
No, officer, wrong person, officer. Wrong person, officer.
Well, tell you what. Right now, we have to take you down the station, you know.
Me, officer?
Yeah, we have to take you down the station
no,
for
officer,
some
man.
questioning.
Officer, I wrong somebody. Officer, I'm not from this commission, officer. I just flying from the UK this morning, officer. You know? Yeah. Officer, 13 years, I come to Jamaican officer. Right now, my British passport will prove it.
Tell you what, I'm going to need to see these documents that you say you have, you know.
Yes, officer. I have all documents at that hotel.
So hear what happened now. We need to go to this hotel and get these documents right now that you say you have.
Yes, officer. You have no problem, officer. You can go prove and show you, officer. No problem. It's a total misunderstanding, officer. I have all documents at my hotel. All my documents. Oh, 13 years old, I don't come to Jamaica, you know.
Really?
Yeah. You can have a laugh and have fun about it. You can step on and feel like a beer. Oh, you're on duty, you don't drink.
No, well, depends on, you know.
Tell what the officer, I can give you money to buy it, you know. You know, well, if my key on that bench, I'm going to come back for it. Just give me a minute, officer. Just give me a minute.
I can't understand these young men have to do. Them head don't really on them body. This boy is so long and can't come up, man. I wonder what's going on.
Everybody dreams of a better life, a bigger house, a nicer car, a pocket full of cash. But not every road to success is worth taking. I was working every day from sunrise to night, doing everything I could just to make things right. The bills kept growing faster than my pay. It felt like life was slipping away. Then a stranger smiled and whispered low, I know a place where the money